Hi, my name is Joel Scutchfield. I'm with Koh Young America. Koh Young America is a branch of Koh Young Technology, a Korean company serving the inspection technology portion of the PCB assembly industry. It's everything from carbon footprint reduction, obviously, to uh, employee retention, to making sure that we are building into our systems the sustainability initiatives for the parts we're using, the energy we're consuming, and then even to the extent of the use of our tools on the manufacturing floor to provide enough process control to minimize or eliminate waste and scrap on the customer's floor, at the customer level. It touches on a lot of areas. I mean, just for some examples, obviously the EV initiative, we're almost exclusively EV at HQ for all of the company vehicles, both the company cars, the trucks that move intercompany materials, et cetera, et cetera. We just need to, in the short term, get this geopolitical, I guess, if
Things
you
more
want
stable.
to call it that, initiative resolved, and have that stability, and then continue to bring the young people into the market, into the industry, so we can sustain from that perspective when you and I go play golf here at sometime in the future, right?